Today we will talk about GA4 purchase conversion tracking with Google Tag Manager and WordPress. So this is my WordPress website and I gonna set up the purchase conversion for Google Analytics in this website, and we need a Google Tag Manager, and this is a Google Tag Manager property, container that I have created for this website. And you see the website domain is demo.zubayerislam.com, and same here. So we're gonna use this Google Tag Manager in this WordPress website. So at first what we have to do, we have to link the tag manager with the WordPress website. So let me do it. I have already logged in the WordPress dashboard, and let me go to the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and now we need a plugin to set up the tag manager with WordPress website. Okay, so let me add the plugin. The plugin name is GTM for WP. GTM for WP. Yeah, this is the plugin that I want to add. So let me install. Yeah, installed. Okay. Now we have to activate. Okay, nice. Now it is activated. Okay, and let me try to find the tag manager plugin. Okay, this is the plugin. Let me go to the setting. On setting, we have to place the ID here. Okay, the GTM ID. So this is the ID that we want to add. Let me copy and paste. Copy, then paste. Then let's save it. Okay, after saving it, we have to check it again because they have turned off and on. By default it is turned off now, and let me on. Okay, turn on. Now let's go to the preview to check the tag manager is connecting or not. We need the website URL. Oh, URL is here already, so let me connect. Okay, I hope it will connect. Yeah, it is connected. It's mean that it is working. So now we need data layer to send the purchase conversion to the analytics. Okay, so we can enable the data layer using the same plugin. Just we have to go to the integration, on the setting integration, then WooCommerce, because we are using WooCommerce in this WordPress website. So let me turn on the track e-commerce in this one. Then I also want the customer data in data layer. Yeah, then order data in data layer also. Let me check the rest of the setting. I think everything is okay, so it's okay. Let me save it. Yeah, now we have to check the data layer, it is working or not. Okay, to check the data layer, we should preview again, and let me preview. Yeah, it is connecting, and I see, I think it is, yeah, it is connected. Okay, now let me open a product to see the data layer. So let me open this product. Okay, I see some e-commerce event here, such as view item list, then select item, then view item list again. And yeah, the data layer is working perfectly great, but I should also see the view item. Oh, we have to select the variant to see the view item. Okay, now I get the view item, and under the view item event I see the currency, item ID, all the parameter here. Great, so it is working perfectly. And if I want, I can also check the add to cart, then view cart, remove from cart, everything. All the e-commerce events should work. Okay, so I see that to cart is working, then view item again. Also I wanna check the view cart. So view cart is also working, and it is showing the value, then currency, all the parameters here. Nice. Then I can also check the checkout. Yeah, and on here I should get checkout event. Yes, checkout event is coming. And yes, now let me add my info here to check the purchase and other event. Okay, I have filled up my info, and now I want to test the the purchase. And let me check. Yeah, checkout already came. Then let me place an order to see the purchase. Oh, it is showing error. Okay, phone number. Now let me try again. Okay, nice. Okay, it is completed, and we are in order receipt page. Nice. Now I see the purchase event is came, and I see it is also showing my info. Okay, so we can send this information to GA4 and Google Ad, another platform, to increase the event mesh quality or to enable the enhanced conversion. I see it is also showing the hash value, that is very helpful for us to send. Okay, it is showing me all the parameters like the order data, totals, then customer data. Great. So data layer is working. Now I want to set up Google Analytics purchase event in this using in this data layer. Okay. So now we have to create a Google Analytics property. Okay, let me pause the video and create a property. Okay, I have created a property, and this is the property, and this is our measurement ID, and I want to link this, I want to set up this property on our website using Google Tag Manager. So let me go here and let me copy the measurement ID. Okay, now go back to the Tag Manager. At first we have to create a configuration tag. Let me do it. Yeah, analytic, then Google Tag. So we can create a variable, okay, GA4 ID. We have to choose constant here to keep the same value. Okay, now under the configuration setting we have to send a parameter that is send page view true. Now let's add the trigger. We should fire the tag on the installation all page state. So let me do it. Yeah, and we can keep the name GA4 config. Yes, so this tag will send a page view event, and it is also send some by default event like the session start, the engagement, it is the scroll, and some default event. Okay, so this is the configuration tag I have created. Now we have to create the main tag that we want to set up, that is the purchase. Okay, so GA4. Okay, before doing it we should create some variable. Okay, now let me do, okay, I need the value, the purchase value. We have to select the data layer variable. Okay, we can keep the value from eCommerce. Then yeah, eCommerce dot value, you can keep it eCommerce dot value. Okay, now I need the currency, the order ID. So at first let me create the currency data layer again, then eCommerce dot currency, eCommerce dot, yes, currency. Now save. Then we will get a new one, that is order ID or transaction ID. So transaction ID, just keep the e-commerce and copy the transaction ID from here. Yes, transaction ID. Then so we will not send lot of parameter, we will just send the 3 parameter, that is currency, transaction ID, and value. We can also send the shipping and some extra parameter, but I think I don't want to long the video, so just send the 3 parameters, and I hope you will able to set up other parameter. So GA4 purchase. Now we have to keep this one and set the measurement ID. Then the event name will be the purchase, we can copy it from here. Yes, then include the user provided data from the website. We can use the automatic one, or we can set up variable and keep the data from here, but let me just use automatic correction. So this is user data. Yes. Then let me send 3 events parameter, that is value, then currency, then transaction ID. Let me copy and paste because this is very sensitive data. So transaction ID, currency, value. Now we have to create a custom event, that is purchase, custom event. So this is the event that we want to send. Okay, we should also send a extra parameter, that is items. Okay, items. Okay, to send the items data we have to create a new data layer. Okay, let me do it. So it will be the data layer variable and items. Yeah, we have copied. Yeah, then data layer. Yes, we can just keep eCommerce.items here. Yes, eCommerce.items, eCommerce.item, because we want to send all the value from here. So eCommerce.items. Nice. Now let's save and preview to check that event is working or not. So yeah, now we can preview again. Yes, preview. Okay, we can close the dashboard now because it is working, so no need to open the dashboard again. Okay, as this is the new property, so we need some time to see the data, but we can test it from here. And I see it is connecting. Yeah, it is connected. And I also see yeah, configuration tag is fired. Now I have to purchase a product to see the data, and we can also check it using this extension. And let's refresh. Okay, I see, yes, two ID here. Okay, but it's not working. Maybe I have to preview again. Yes, I have to preview again. Let me do it again. Okay, I have previewed again, and now I see, yes, the same data here, and I can also see this one maybe. But let me go to next page. Okay, now I see, yes, the GA4 and the tag manager is working here, and maybe I will, yeah, the GA4 is getting the data. So now I can debug to take the data. So on the debug, let me try to see. Yeah, I see the first visit, page view, everything is coming. Now let me purchase the product very quickly to test the purchase. Yeah, view cart, checkout. Yes, my information is here. So just we can place an order. Place an order. The purchase event should come here. Let wait. Yeah, purchase. Now we are in thank you page. Then let's wait for the purchase event. Great, so we got the purchase event, and let me check the value. Yeah, value is 150, and yes, the value is correct. Then transaction ID is correct. Yeah, then it is also sending the currency, that is BDT. This is my currency. Yes, it was BDT, and this is the symbol. Okay, so we have done the setup. Great. Thank you so much for watching the video.